All right. Here we are for part two of building the Lego Saturn V. And without any more ado, let's see. So, previously we finished part one of the build. There's already some kitty hairs on top of it and some dust. We'll get rid of that as we build. But yeah, so this is part one, which if you'd like to watch, go ahead and feel free to look it up on my channel. I might add a link there so we can watch part one, but regardless, this is the start of part two. And here we go. So let's jump to our page where we were. Here we go. So bag number two, part number two. This is it. Oh, and speaking of which, I think you might be able to hear the background music. This is some lovely copyright-free music made by a friend of mine, Una Originals. That's UNNA Originals on Spotify. Look him up for any copyright-free music that you'd like to have in the background, just chilling while you're doing whatever. Here you go. So I'll turn it up a little bit and let's start, shall we? I've been looking forward to this. Okay, so let me just check really quick, see that we're recording. We're recording, we're good, we're cool. Alrighty, let's go. So, we're going to build 4 of these parts for this. So that's 4 of these right here. And add that to the ship, to the back of the rocket. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and open this bag and start. Whoop. Alrighty, so we start by getting 2 of these long dark gray fellows. So just like this. 2 like that. Okay, and we're gonna have to do this 4 times, so we might as well do all 4, right? Let's see if we can be big brain enough to do this all 4 together. 1 and 4. Okay, here we go. So that's it. That's 4 there. And now next page. So now we need to get, so that would be 8 of these, 4 of these, and 4 of these. Can you see that? Yes. Okay, here we go. Whoop. There we go. So 8 of these, 4. Let's see, and those I believe are in a different baggie. Here we go. Yeah, they're in here. Perfect. Alrighty, so we want 2 for 1 of these, so that's a total of 8 of these to do all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have a feeling we might have exactly 5, 6, and 7, 8. Yeah, exactly right. We have the exact number that we need. 8. And now we need 2 of these. 1, 2. Actually, sorry, we need 4. Because it's 1 for each. 2, 3, and number 4. There we go. Sorry once again about the rustling noise of the bag. There's not much I can do about that, to be honest. And now 4 of these little ones. 3 and 4. Alrighty. Just like so. Alright, now let's put them together. So like this. So we get this like that, and then we get 2 and put them on the edge. Boop, like this, and then we get 1 of these, and then we get the gray part like that. So now we repeat the process for the other ones. Boop, boop, boop. Alrighty. Nice. There we go. Alrighty. Boom. Okay, now we have these 4 parts, and now we need, so that's 4 of these little squares of the white, 4 black squares, 4 of these, and 4 of these. Okay, so let's see. And I believe, yeah, the little black squares are in this one. So let's go ahead and get those out as well. Let's get rid of that right there. Okay. So that's 1, 2, 3, and he's way down there, and 4. Okay. And now we need 4 of the white ones, which I believe might actually be in here. Or am I wrong? No, there they are. Okay. Looks like this is white, isn't it? Yeah, I'd say it's white. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here we go. Okay, and now we need 4. These and 4 of these, which are in here. Actually, so that's 1, 2, come on, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing 2 more. 7 and 8. Where are ya? 7 and 8. All right, perfect. So, boop, boop. Perfect. All right, now let's put them together. So that's the white one here like this, the black one like this, and then with the white and the black on either side. Perfect. Like so. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. Next. Alrighty. Boom. And boom. All right. Next 4 parts. So now we go here. So that's, okay, so we need 8 of those, 12 of those, and 4 of the A. So 1A, 2A, 3A, and 4A. Perfect. And now 8 of these plain white pieces. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna turn the volume down a wee little bit. Awesome. And so that's 12 of the black ones. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oops. Alrighty, so let's put these together. So that's 3 and 3. Okay. So like this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, Okay, perfect. Next. Boom. Boom. Alrighty. And next. Same thing. Alrighty. Oh, whoa, careful there. Alright. Boom. Alrighty. We just chilling. We just vibing. Relaxing and building Lego sets together. Hope you're having a nice day, nice night, nice morning. Hope everything's doing fine for you. Now we need 4 of each of these. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, and 4. All right. Now we put these here like so. So that would be like this. No, like that. Okay, there we go. The white and the black, like that. Perfect. So that's 1. That's 2. 3. Boom. And 4. Alrighty. 4. Look at that. Awesome. Okay. Oh, and now we're gonna build this part here. So we've got these set aside for now. Now let's put him together. So this is 1 of these. We're actually probably gonna have to do this 4 times, but just in case, yeah, 4 times. Okay, so we're gonna do this 4 times as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of these folks. And now we need 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. 4 U's, 4 S's, and 4 A's. Perfect. We got them all here. Let's make them visible here. Just easier to grab. There we go. And 2 black ones. It's just going to be 6. So that's 2 blacks for each. 2, 6. I mean 8, of course. And here's the 8th one. Okay, so now to put this together, we're going to do this. So we get 1 of these, and then okay, so 2 blacks on one side, the U and the S, like so, and then this gray piece here, so like this, right? Okay, perfect. Alrighty, so that's that there. And now I'm gonna do the same here. U and the S, and the 2 black pieces like that. Boom, boom. And the gray piece like that. So that's 2. And then let's do it again. 3 and 4. Boom. 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 Alrighty, we got those. And now, next next page. Woo. Alrighty, so now we're going to grab a whole bunch of these little parts here and put them on top. Okay, so that's most likely all of them. And so let's remove this, and this. And put these back in the bag. Alright, and now let's just cover up this like so. Yeah, so that's 6 pieces per part. Boom. 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 1. Oh, this piece goes back in the bag. Boom. 2. Well, I'm going a bit fast. I need to relax more. We're here to chill. But I like putting stuff together quickly. Like, it's not like I'm in a hurry, but I feel like I am, you know? Let's take it easy. 2, 3. So I just want to go on to the next part, next part. Keep building, you know? Alrighty, there we go. And now we get these 4 pieces. Alright. Whoop. Get out of there. Alrighty. And now we put them underneath this, like so. Yes. Alrighty. Boop. 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 All right. And now we get all of these pieces and the larger pieces as well. Awesome. And we put them like this. Oh, sorry. Like this. That's better. Okay, and then the thin pieces down here like that. 1 and 2. So like this. Perfect. Come on. There we go. So we just relax and just finished work for the day. I've been excited to keep building this set all day, and finally I get around to it. Boom. I have a feeling we're going to be pretty fast finishing part 2 compared to part 1, which was a lot slower, although that part was maybe a little bit more complicated because it wasn't repeating 4 things exactly the same. Boop. And now we put them all together like so. So we do this like that, and that's it, right? Boom. 1. Boom. 2. Oh yeah, it's all coming together. 3. Ooh, it's gonna start to look like a rocket soon. Maybe. And that's it, really? Wow, okay. And now we put them onto the rocket. Ah, it's gonna start to look like a rocket now. This part here comes apart too easily for my taste. Okay, so now how do we put this on? So it goes in here, onto the sides like this, right here. Okay, let's see, how do we put this on? Like that, like that. That's how it goes on. Okay, so we just snap it in there. Okay, 1. Ooh. Okay, I see. That's how we do it. Okay, so that's 1. Next side. 2. The kitty hairs off of there. Yeah, okay. So straight to the bottom like that. Okay. And then here. And then. Oh no! Oh no, disaster strikes. Disaster strikes. See? Ah, blast. That's why I don't like how loosely these parts go in here. Oh no, okay. Nobody panic. Let's try and put it all together carefully. Ah. Okay. We're all right. We're all right. No. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. No problem. Now, let's see. So, this part goes down here. Nobody panic. We can fix it. We can still fix it. No. Let's see. This is gonna... Okay, we need to operate on him, doctor. We're losing him. Okay, you go in there like that. Carefully. Carefully. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ah. There we go. Boom. He's in. Okay. Alrighty. And then this part goes here like this. Okay. And here. I see ya. I see ya. Boom. And then this part goes here. Oh my. Okay. Like this. Okay. So you go in here like that. Ah. You gotta get the bottom off actually. Let's do this carefully like that. Okay. Okay. Now we're getting in. And now we put the bottom on again. Like, whoa, carefully. Yeah, okay, so you need to be here, right? Yes. And you need to be here and here, like this. Okay, and then you go here. Oh my. Like so. Boop. Okay. Okay. That's better. And so now the bottom goes on like this. Okay. We're almost done. We're putting him together. We're sewing him back up, doctor. Nobody panic. Nobody panic. We've almost got him. Come on, come on. Close the wound. Boom. Ah! We popped off another part. Doesn't matter. We can pop it back on. Nobody will notice. It's not like the entirety of the YouTubes is watching. Okay, fixed. Saved. Is everything locked into place? Yes, doctor, we got him. He's saved. Stabilized. Stabilized. Okay, now let's carefully try and add the rest of the pieces, parts, without breaking him. Boop. Actually, should we do the opposite? We should do the opposite. I want to do the opposite, like so. Carefully align the parts. Ah, okay. We're getting in. We're almost in alignment. No. Okay, like so. Are we aligning it? We're lining up. He's lined up. He's not going in. What's the matter? There. Boom. He's in. Now carefully. Don't use too much brute force. Okay. It's in. It's locked. It's locked into place. We got him. Boom. Okay. Whew. Oh my. Oh my. Now let's do the rest of the parts. Okay. Carefully now. Whoa. Middle. Okay. Ah. Okay. Okay. It's lined into place. Lined into place. We got him. Alrighty. Boop. Ah. Bottom. middle, 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 top, boom. We got it. Next. Alrighty, disaster averted. Slightly. Oh no. Okay. Okay. It's in. We got it. Carefully. Boop, boop, boop. It's in. Yay! Part 2 complete. Disaster averted. Excellent. And now part 3 already? Shall we make it a separate video? I think we should, just for the sake of making everything nice and consolidated, each part. Okay, so this has been part 2. There was a small disaster, but we were able to put everything back together. Disaster averted. So, join me for part 3 of the build of the LEGO Saturn V rocket. I'm going to go ahead and start with part 3 right now, but I'm going to record it in a separate video so that way it'll be all nice and neat on YouTube and you can watch it nicely in parts. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Like the video if you liked it, dislike it if you disliked it. Leave a comment if you're enjoying this or if you have any ideas. Leave a comment if you like the music, the Una originals in the background. I'm going to leave it on for the next part, but if I get any feedback, well, we'll see. All right. Thanks again. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in a bit.